Every time I am running a long AI generation, a 30-minute video render, a batch of image generations, a model that takes a while to process, I need my computer to keep running. But I do not want to sit at my desk waiting for it. So a few weeks ago, I started using something that completely changed how I manage this part of my workflow, and I figured it was worth showing you because it solves a problem most creators dealing with AI tools eventually run into. It is called Stardesk, and it lets me remotely access and control my computer from my phone or any other device from anywhere. Let me actually show you how this works because this setup is genuinely simple. First step, download Stardesk on both devices. I am installing it on my computer and on my phone. It is completely free, no subscription required to get started. Available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, so whatever combination of devices you are working across it is covered. Second step, sign up and log in. One account, same login on both devices, takes about 30 seconds. Third step, tap connect. I open the app on my phone, tap connect, and I am instantly looking at my full desktop screen live on my phone. No complicated configuration, no port forwarding, no technical setup, just one tap and I am in. And here's the part that actually matters for anyone using this for real work, the streaming quality. Stardesk supports up to 4K resolution at 144 FPS with HDR for checking on a render or moving files around that is honestly more quality than you even need. But the difference shows up immediately in how smooth and responsive everything feels. There is no laggy, stuttering remote desktop experience here. It feels close to sitting in front of the actual machine. I have tested other remote desktop tools before, and the quality drop was always noticeable enough to be frustrating. With Stardesk, I genuinely forget I am not sitting at my desk because the response time and visual clarity are that close to the real thing. What I also appreciate is that this works across every platform I actually use. Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android are all supported. So whether I am on my Windows desktop, checking from an iPhone, or jumping on an Android tablet, the experience stays consistent. You are not locked into one ecosystem connect from whatever device is in your hand at the moment. Security was something I looked into before trusting this with my actual work machine, and Stardesk takes it seriously. Every session uses true end-to-end encryption, meaning the video, audio, and input streams are protected, and even Stardesk itself cannot see your session content. There is a built-in privacy mode that blacks out the local display and mutes the host device. So if you are remotely controlling your computer in a public space, nobody nearby can see or hear what you are doing. The connection itself prioritizes direct peer-to-peer links between your devices, and even sensitive features like clipboard sync and file transfer stay disabled by default until you explicitly approve them. One more feature worth mentioning: if gaming is part of your setup alongside your AI workflow, Stardesk supports game controller key mapping. For anyone running long AI generations, managing render queues, or just needing flexible access to a more powerful machine while you are out and about, this has become a genuinely useful part of my setup. I am not chained to my desk waiting for a video to finish generating anymore. I check it from my phone, queue the next task, and keep moving. And honestly, the fact that it is completely free makes it a no-brainer to at least try. There is zero commitment required to see if it fits your workflow. It is free to download on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. The link is in the description if you want to set this up yourself. The whole process from download to your first remote connection takes less than 2 minutes.